Are you thinking of creating a course? Do you have passions, skills, and God-given gifts that you want to turn into online courses so you can make money and impact? If yes, stop! Don't create your course. Watch this video first. Hey there, I'm Myrra, and I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator and strategist, and author helping people build a life of purpose, freedom, and impact. You've probably heard about online courses and how it opens up so many opportunities for you as a professional, expert, or as aspiring entrepreneurs. After all, the global e-learning market is said to climb to at least $325 billion by 2025. As an online course creator and strategist, I've already helped many women, including coaches, authors, entrepreneurs, in turning their expertise and God-given gifts into online courses. And in that time, I have learned a few things that I want to share with you for those of you who are just in the starting phase. But before we move on, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more faith-based tips on personal development, course creation, business, and life. That said, let's dive in. Number 1, impact over income. Most of the time, we are motivated to start creating a course because we think it's going to make us money. But even though that may be the case for you, I recommend identifying the deeper reason and the deeper why behind your intent to create and sell your course. I say this with love, but many people enter this industry without integrity. They promise big, amazing results to their students, but never actually deliver through their courses. This then causes some people's distrust of other course creators, and that may be unfair, right? It also negatively affects their reputation. So before creating your online course, consider reflecting your values and see to it that you're not just here for the income, for the money that you're gonna create, but more importantly, for the help, service, impact, and transformation that you are going to create in your students' lives. That also will be advantageous for you because that will motivate you even more through this process. Number 2, to invest or not to invest. There are 2 aspects to this. 1, are you going to invest in tools and resources and softwares that are going to make the process easier and more streamlined for you? These are things like Kajabi, Thinkific, email list platforms, and so on and so forth. This is definitely not required. If you think that this is just going to hold you back and going to cause you to procrastinate and you think that you're on a tight budget, then you can be resourceful and do it for free. The most important thing here is for you to start. You may not believe it, but I created my first online course as a college student, and I was definitely on a very tight budget, and I did it. Second, are you going to invest in someone like an expert to help make your course or guide you through the process? Now, this depends on your priorities. If you prioritize your money over your time right now, then you can definitely do it yourself, DIY it, and still be able to create your course. But if you prioritize your time over your money, then it's okay to ask for help. You don't need to reinvent the wheel anymore, and you don't need to be stressing about the course creation process if it's really not your true zone of genius. I have had clients who are moms and full-time business owners who don't have a lot of free time but have 100% commitment to turning their course idea into a reality. So that is why they hired someone like me to guide them through the process, to strategize with them, and take the most of the work from them. What do they say? Best decision ever. They say that definitely made their life much easier. But again, you have to check your priorities first. You can definitely create a course on your own, even without investing on a lot of these experts or tools and resources. It's about starting with what you have. Number 3, creating courses is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're not here for the long game, stop. Don't create your course now. Rethink your intentions first. Creating courses and getting results from them may take time. If you already have an audience, then great. That means leverage on your end, because that may mean the course creation process will be much easier and faster for you. But if you don't have an audience right now, then that is not a reason to give up. You can still create and sell your courses even with a small audience. I remember how I first sold my very first online course with just about 1,200 Instagram followers, and I definitely made it happen. That means you can too. It takes time to build trust with your audience, with your people, and get them to buy your course. It is, however, worth it. With creating courses, you will be able to build a sustainable income stream so that you can live life with time and financial freedom. And most importantly, it is a meaningful way for you to make an impact and serve, help, encourage, and teach the people who God calls you to serve. So those are my 3 tips for you before creating your online course, and I hope that this video has given you value. Now, my question for you today is, are you planning to create a course in the near future? If that is so, what is your why and intention behind it? Comment below. Now, if you want to learn more about course creation and need more help or support with the process, then follow me on Instagram at Myrra Kate, where I give simplified tips and strategies on how to create a profitable and transformational online course. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and watch this video next for you to learn when is the best time to create a course. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.